Bruh.
Oh, I look good in this.
No.
What's up? Who you? Damn, hold on.
I ain't doing it.
Harry, I like it though. It turns me on.
For real.
He said he a human rose.
Who the fuck said that? I know you didn't say.
How you doing?
Good, how
Oh
you
shit. Oh, what kind of camera is this?
This Bro, what's so crazy is I deadass just got my car washed earlier, but why not? Those kind of look good though. I ain't gonna lie. Word. Hey, y'all heard that though? She said, fine shit in that old school now. That's what she said now. That's what she said now. I ain't say that. She said that. We gonna run that shit back. I don't know what the hell they doing.
I know this one got some money. This was.
Bro, I know you. I know you. You look familiar, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, what shit? I'm all over all over that.
I don't know what they on, bro. Hey, bro. This like a club or something? So, we have two parts. Vault area is our restaurant part. And the bank area is this private event on. Alright, well. I ain't even know that.
I bet they coming in once they get finished, so you be able to check it out.
Oh, word for real? Alright, yeah, I'm gonna be posted up anyway, so.
But I ain't doing it.
Harry, I like it though. It turns me on.
Oh, really? You know what they say? I'm a human rose in real life.
What?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Cause you know my tongue be shit. It be moving.
Oh, they call him a human rose. They said they call him a human rose because his tongue is moving. Wait, how it moves? Show me.
Maybe I shouldn't do that one, but
Oh, okay.
you know, yeah.
It's all right. I like you. You know, you shit.
Look at now you speaking of
Language. I'm finishing your sentences. Wait.
They actually dope though. So.
Yeah? Wait, hold on. How you doing?
Good, how you
shit.
doing?
Oh, what kind of camera is this?
This this a GoPro.
Oh, I look good in this.
No.
What's up? Who you?
Me?
Damn, hold on. Like, hold on. I think we might got some chemistry. I'm picking up on your language.
Yeah, shit.
I'm talking what you talking.
I'm Daryl.
Say hey to Facebook.
Hey, oh, you be on Facebook?
Yes, I'll be on Facebook.
You on your grandmama's Facebook?
Stop, this is my Facebook, bitch.
Hey, what's good, Facebook?
Hey, Facebook.
He said he a human rose.
Who the fuck said that? I know you didn't say. You said you a human rose.
Yeah.
You eat cootie cat good?
Yeah, shit. said
You nasty.
I'm a goddamn professional.
Professional.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. How did you pull that easy? Yeah, damn, professional.
Nigga said,
You a
don't drop the fucking
professional.
okay?
Ain't no damn way. Ain't no damn way.
Hey, they got them
Thanks,
rolls. Ain't that shit on me.
Shit on you.
Okay, y'all, we got cars to wash. We got cars to wash. We at the bank, south side of Atlanta. Posted up with
Don't
that
pull
camera.
up. Don't pull up.
Don't pull up.
Because
Whoever these is,
literally.
Free car wash.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all ain't cold. Hey.
You got shorter. Wait. You put your Crocs on, friend.
Yeah.
Y'all not cold?
No, we not hoes gonna get cold.
What she said.
Oh, we not hoes though. We not hoes though. What's up?
I need assistance. What's happening?
What's that?
This ain't an interview. This just
Oh, you just got your mic.
beginning.
You just professional with this shit.
Y'all just that's all it is. Forgot about the damn. What's going on? What's happening with y'all?
Look, they being so patient. We ain't watching no motherfucking cars. Ari!
I seen 2 cars come through. I seen 2 cars get done. Hey, bro. Bro, that's my whip, bro. I'm like, we shit worse than what you got. I'm trying to see that sin on it, bro. I'm gonna have to wash it. I'm gonna have to rinse it out when I get home. I'm gonna have to rinse that when I get home, okay?
She got short legs, so.
There she goes. She back at it, man. Kayla back at it, bro.
What do y'all need to do?
She's funny as fuck, bro. Bruh.
I'm your nasty.
Bruh, what the fuck? Bruh. Yo, she wildin'. She wildin', oh God. She wildin', B.
Nah. Shut your ass up.
We good? He through. Hey, let's look up real quick. We can look up real
Look up,
quick.
look up.
Let's go.
Yeah, Zoe. Zoe 101.
Let's
He
look up
wanted
real
to look at real.
Is it just us? Okay, yeah. Betsky.
Oh, shit. Look at my shit.
I know it's zoomed in. Mine did the same thing. That's so weird, right? It must be pictures. Want to do a selfie? Was you in the army?
Yeah.
I knew it. Look at that fucking military time he got on him.
Bro, you can't even, like...
You can't zoom out on the camera.
Hey,
No,
bro,
look, you can
check
hold
out
it.
picture of Crib up.
Hey, hold it.
Who the fuck are you?
I'm a regular guy, bro.
You think I am?
I'm a regular guy, man.
Right.
I'm a regular guy, buddy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I appreciate y'all.
Hey, this car done. We got you.
I'm finna pull out.
All right,